Hello retouchers, you're welcome to my channel once again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you and give you some prompts you can use to generate your Christmas picture just like this. You can play around, have fun with your Christmas picture just like this right here. Okay, so I generated this picture right here using Gemini, Google Gemini, NanoBanana, so and I use the free one. Okay, if you have the paid one, you can use it also. The free one as well the free one as well can work. Okay, so this is I generated this from this picture. Okay, so this is the raw pictures, so I use it and generate this. Okay, so and this picture right here, I use it to generate this also. So I will give you this prompt by the end of this tutorial, and also the prompt I will drop it in the description of this tutorial, so you can use it, play along with it, generate any of your Christmas picture using your face. Okay, so one thing I love about this is somehow realistic. Okay, it looks real. Okay, so you can as well edit the prompts to what you want. Okay, you can edit it and remove the black eyeglass. Okay, or you remove this deer here. It depends on you. Okay, so let's go to Gemini. So you make sure that you are connected to network. Your network is connected. Okay, so you go to your Chrome. Okay, you can see this is the last one I generated. So you go to your Google Chrome or any of your browser, you search for Gemini. Okay, so search for Gemini, so it will appear this first Gemini here. Okay, you click on it, you have something like this. So what you will do is to click on this plus sign here and upload the picture you want to generate to Christmas picture. Okay, upload the picture of your choice. If it's your picture, if it's a client picture, if it's a children picture. Okay, so I'm using this picture, so I'll upload this picture here. So once it's done uploading this way, you'll be seeing it here. So you paste the prompt. I've already copied the prompt, so this is the prompt. I've already pasted the prompt here, which I will drop it in the description of this tutorial. Okay, so once you paste the prompt, you send. So you allow the NanoBanana do the work, just few seconds, and it will generate it for you. So it has okay, as you can see right here, this is what it's generated. As you can see, this is also beautiful. Okay, so like I said, you can edit the prompt and command it to generate to your satisfaction. Okay, this is beautiful. This was how I generated. You can download here. Okay, so and this is the second picture here. So I upload the second picture. This is the second picture. So I do the same thing and paste the prompts. Okay, so I send. So this is AI, this is NanoBanana. So it will generate, generates you do we generate a different style. So you pick the one that is best for you. Okay, so we allow it to load. It's almost there. Okay, as you can see, this is what it generated for us. Okay, so this is how you can generate this. Okay, so if you have Photoshop in your system, and if you're using free NanoBanana and you have Photoshop, you can download the picture and import it to your Photoshop to remove the watermark here and increase the resolution. Or if you're using paid version, it's better. Okay, so this is here in Photoshop. So what I will do is to pick this spotting brush tool and remove the watermark here. Okay, so I can as well control alternative command alternative control I to increase the resolution to 300. As you can see, I've already increased it already. Okay, so this was how I generated this from this to this. Okay, and from this to this. Okay, so you can try it out on your own, and also compliment of the season.